Zentangle is a meditative art form that is a relaxing method of creating abstract art using structured patterns. It teaches and focuses on being mindful and present. Zentangle requires no artistic skills. Hello, I'm Sandhya, an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. In this channel, we talk about creating and practicing Zentangle, my own Zentangle inspired artworks and collectibles. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos that I post every Tuesdays and Fridays. Welcome to yet another Zentangle Mini Project. Today's focus tangle in our focus flight series is called TUCSON by Elaine Benfetto. TUCSON is a beautiful organic tangle and it can also be used as a border tangle. I plan to use one other tangle along with TUCSON to complete my Zentangle project today. So go grab your supplies. All we need is a pen, pencil, stub and a white square tile, and let's get started. Okay, so here we are with our supplies. I have my white square tile, my 01 micron pencil and stub. So let's get started with today's project. I'm going to start with my border. So like that. Now here's how my string is going to be. I start somewhere here and I end somewhere here, but I make a curve like this. I do the same thing on the other side, something like this. So our focus flight tangle TUCSON is going to be in this section. So I start off with my wavy line and then I start making my next set of wavy line. So it doesn't have to match anything, just go ahead and make your wavy lines. So now I start making upside down U like this. So depending upon how much space I have, I make my U's big or small. There. I'm going to repeat the same thing again in this layer. Like that. So I'm going to start again on my third layer. And here going on my last layer. Look at this. So now I'm gonna add inner lines like this, so maybe 3 or 4 depending upon how much space you have. You can just keep adding. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this in the other 3 sections as well. Okay. Okay, so now I have my U's filled in with lines inside. Now the next step is to go back and add black, these little sections between the two upside down you use, so something like this. So these are little triangles that are formed, and we just go over them like this. So I'm gonna add my blacks. I'm repeating this in the second layer as well. Okay, so I'm done filling black, and here's how our TUCSON looks. Isn't that pretty? So here is how I'm going to do my flux. So I start somewhere here. And then I pull out another one in the other direction. Like so. So now all these gaps I'm gonna add circles. I'm gonna add nice big ones, but you are welcome to make smaller ones as well, so it's totally up to us. So I'm going to repeat this in all of my spaces here. So I'm going to repeat this on the other side, but this time I'm going to start making my flux in this direction. So let's get started. add my circles. So there you go. So I have filled all the sections up. Now I'm just going to go back and add black in these little gaps. Now this again is optional. If you do not want to, you can leave it, but I like to have them filled in. Just go around, take a look, and make sure you have everything filled in if that's what you plan to do. Okay, so I have my flux filled in. So now let's get started with shading. So shading for TUCSON is going to be on outside that, so I'm going to put my pencil right at the edge of this line. And I'm going to repeat this again here on the other side. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this up. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this on the other side. So there you go. Now over here I'm just going to add a little pencil just on the flux, only on the flux, just on one side. So I'm not adding any pencil, whatever is left over from my stub, I'm just pulling that out. So there you go. I'm going to put my signature and finish it up. There you go. Hope you had fun creating that project with me. I would love to see your creations. So hop on to our FB group ZenBeez, where all the after party fun happens. Share your works there and check out creations by other ZenBeez. Now, if you plan to share your works on social media, please do tag me at Sandhya or #Tangle with Sandhya, so I get to see your works there. I do a FB live every Friday at 10 a.m. India Standard Time on my page Sandhya Studio. Do join me there to tangle along with me. Now it's time to comment, so please comment below and let me know how you enjoyed this project. I would love to hear from you because that helps me plan out my next set of videos. In the description there is a link called Tangle Organizer. You can click on that, sign up to get updates on my upcoming classes, and also to claim your free gift. Now show me some love and hit that like button and share the video and subscribe to the channel. I have also listed down 2 workshops that's happening this month in the description, so you can check that out as well. So I'll see you next on Tuesday in our string safari. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.